Today we have the 2018 Ford Kuga. This vehicle has done just over 79,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, mobile apps and Bluetooth, emergency assistance and Apple CarPlay. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.